Scientists have brought back the dire wolf after 12,000 years.
That's a cute nose.
Colossal Biosciences, a genetic engineering company, just
America,
made history
explain.
by creating 3 dire wolf pups. Romulus, Remus, and Khaleesi, named after the iconic Game of Thrones characters.
Am I mistaken? I don't know if Romulus is it. I'm not the craziest Game of Thrones fan, but Khaleesi's definitely like the main one.
There's once roamed north and South America before vanishing after the last ice age. So how did scientists pull this off?
Great question, AI.
Ancient DNA from fossils as old as 72,000 years.
Love that.
Combined it with DNA from gray wolves, their closest living relatives. Next, they used cloning techniques to grow embryos and transferred them into a surrogate. The result? 3 healthy pups born in late 2024. Today, these de-extinct wolves are thriving in a 2,000-acre ecological reserve in the U.S. And this is just the beginning. Colossal Biosciences.
Okay, hold on. Woolly mammoths are next. Here's the thing. They didn't just like bring them back to life. They took gray wolves and they genetically modified gray wolves. Is this really what we want to be doing?
Biosciences is already working to bring back the woolly mammoth by 2028. De-extinction is no longer...
They have a date set for the woolly mammoth, folks. Expect the woolly... We got a cheer! Shout out to the brother Andrew. Guys, expect the woolly mammoth 2028. Should we be dabbling with this? Are we cool to just start genetically modifying animals? You know what it is. It's just basically we're about to genetically modify humans. I don't doubt that it hasn't happened yet. It surely has happened. In fact, let's look it up together. Genetically modified. Oh, look, it's like I'm looking up right at it. Genetically modified humans. Yes, see, 2018? I'm almost, 2018 is like, damn, that's almost a decade ago. Guys, time is flying. How is 2018 almost a decade ago? Okay, hold on. It's like what, maybe 7? I don't know. Math is somewhere in there. 7 years-ish. Chinese scientist Jian Kui, of course, his name is Jian Kui, announced the birth of twin girls, Lulu and Nana, who were the first human beings with genomes edited using CRISPR. CRISPR. He aimed to modify their gene to make them resistant to HIV as both their parents were infected. That's one hell of a freaking story. Is there more to this story? Oh, AI is, God bless AI in a way. I mean, AI is crazy, but also like AI is crazy. So we're just going to read an AI summary. Since then, the scientific community has largely condemned Jian Kui's actions, considering his work as unethical and potentially dangerous. Here's the thing. He probably had all the best intentions in mind, but yeah, this is kind of crazy. Here's the thing. The human biology is so complex. It's like, do we really want to be messing with this? And guys, we're doing this with meds. You could potentially fix one thing and then mess up like 50 other things as a consequence. Like, problem solved. Oh, you have a migraine? Here, take this pill. It's gonna make you shit all day, but no more migraine. Also, you lose a kidney, but it's okay. It's just potential death. You don't want headaches, right? Okay, take the pill. We're doing this with biology now. Genetically modified humans. That's where it is. They're literally claiming to have, what's it called? Brought these extinct animals back to life, though. That's a little bit of a false advertisement, if I do say so myself. It's false advertising. They genetically modified the gray wolf. Let's call a spade a spade. They did. So it's kind of cool, though. Do I want to give credit? I mean, it is really cool. Like, it's also really cool. But like, should we be doing these things? Is just a question I'm posing. You answer me is how this works. I just wanted to do more hand motions. There was no need for the further hand motions, but I did them anyway. This is totally Resident Evil stuff. It's totally, we're heading that way. The gray aliens. Some might say whether you believe in aliens or not, the gray aliens, the whole lore behind the gray aliens is they're supposedly humans that messed up their genomes. So we got a lot to look forward to.